friend. I'm back with another video. What's up? How you doing? So this is going to be a fashion hack video. If you guys remember not too long ago, it might have been a little bit ago, I did a video on how to keep up your thigh roots on your skin. And I was using the glue, the wig glue, right? The wig tape, excuse me. So everybody was in the comments like, oh, how do we do it on jeans? Can you do it on jeans? And I kind of was like, safety pin. So if you want to know my new fashion hack on how to keep your boots up, whether on your skin or on your jeans or pants, which is most important, stay tuned. Here are the boots that we're going to use in today's example. I think I might actually go up here and throw on some jeans really fast just to show you how it fits over jeans, because I mean it's going to fit over everything. So I will actually go run and do that just so that the example is the example. And this is the item of honor. And they have a buckle and an adjustable strap. And these are like $10 on Amazon. Big thighs, little thighs, all thighs matter. I'm gonna come back with the boots and the jeans on, and we're gonna show you how to keep them up so they don't fall. And these boots do sometimes fall, so perfect example. Okay? Okay, guys, this is how the jeans look, not even pulled up. I didn't even pull them off yet, but I'm breaking all my nails on these boots, child. So you can see it has some looseness around it, right? So in the jeans, they probably would stay up, but for the sake of the video, let's go ahead and put on the item. Those thigh collars that I had in the last video, I don't even have them no more, child. But what you're gonna do is just take this. You can do one or two things. Just take it around the outside. If I could just see what I'm doing. Take it around the outside and just clip it like that. Boom. And that will keep it up. Which, okay, so I like to do it this way because for me, I just broke 3 nails. For me, it adds some pizzazz to the boot. Like, I feel like the boot was so plain, but this cute little buckle, it looks cute. And it doesn't, hurt anything. Or, what you could do is, if you know you don't want your boot to show, I think it's really, really cute. But I feel like most girls, they don't want to add a buckle to their thing. They want to be inconspicuous. They want this to be hidden. And what I would do, and what I do, is you put this on your thigh, directly on your thigh, on top of the jean. And then you're going to bring it up as high as you can get it. Pull that up a little bit. And you're going to tuck into the item, into the garter, so that you can't see it. And it creates somewhat of a new hem. And voila, you can't see it. And you can move, walk around, do what you gotta do, and it's not gonna come out. The best way to do this is to do it when it's really, really tight and secure, so that it's not gonna bunch up and come out. You want to make sure it's very, very secure. Okay. All right. So another thing I would say, look, you guys, this is the other one. I didn't do the on leg because I wanted you guys to see the difference. Right? So what you could also do, because the buckle, all you have to do is just unbuckle it like this and use it however you use it. That adjustable strap really helps because you can pull it as long as you want it to. And there's not a thigh that would not fit this. You could even, this is a waist belt at this point. This is a waist belt because look, stop it. I just put it around my waist. And I'm not a little girl. Yeah. So this is really gonna come in handy. this is just an answer to all of those questions that y'all was having about what else you can use in order to have something, you know, to keep up your boots over your jeans, your leather pants, whatever it is, your spandex. I've got this right here for you. It fits every thigh, like I said. It will be in the description box. 2 weeks, $10, 2 days, you got it. It's real lit. Hope this fashion hack helps you all out. I'll be back with some more fashion house threats throughout the time, so make sure you always subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications so you're notified with all of the fashion, hair, nails, and the makeup that I do on my channel. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye.